In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on Webflow. Add payment gateway tutorial. First, sign into your Webflow account and head to your workspace. From the list of projects, click the site you want to work on to open it. In the project view, open the site dashboard, then choose Open in Webflow to jump into the designer. This gets you into the place where all your store and payment settings live. On the left sidebar, open CMS. If you see a notice that says No Collections, go ahead and open it, then switch over to e-commerce in that same sidebar. Since payments are part of e-commerce, this is where we'll start the setup. In the e-commerce pane, click Let's do this to begin the guided setup. Look for the highlighted setup panel and open the setup guide. You'll see a few sections that Webflow walks you through. Click into Set up your store, then click into Design your store, and finally head to Launch your store. That last section contains the payment setup you need. Inside Launch your store, find the highlighted payments card and click Add Payment Provider. If you see Add Payment Provider in more than one spot on this page, you can click either button. They take you to the same configuration. Before you can continue, Webflow will display a prompt explaining that it needs some basic information about your store first. Don't worry, you can update these details later if anything changes. Click Continue. Now fill in your store details carefully. Enter your business or store name and address information. Select your country from the drop-down, then enter your street address. Add your city, choose your state or province or region, and type your zip or postal code. These details are used for things like taxes, shipping, and invoicing, so make sure they match your official business records. Next, choose your store currency. Pick the currency you plan to charge customers in. Changing this later can affect product pricing, so set it thoughtfully now. After that, open language and region. Select English, EN, if that's your store language, and choose United States, US, for the region if that applies to your business. If your store operates in a different country or language, select the options that match your market. When everything looks correct, click Continue. That saves your store profile and unlocks the full e-commerce settings, including payments. From here, you'll be ready to finish connecting your preferred payment provider on the payments screen. A quick tip: double-check your address, currency, and region before moving on, since payment processors rely on this information. And remember, you can revisit these settings anytime if you need to adjust them later. That's it. You've prepared your Webflow store to add a payment method.